Namaskar. So as we were talking about the meditation is taught to be a state of mind in which the mind is fully focused on, concentrated on an object or an idea. The basic techniques of meditation will involve quieting the body or minimizing all distractions. So we'll sit in a place in which there is little movement or no movement, no sound, no noise, that we can the senses are not distracted by anything else from outside, and to help us calming down our own mind and leading us to that state of meditation, on that frame of mind which we call meditation. There are different techniques are prescribed or are taught in different organizations or different schools or different traditions, but basically they all lead to the same thing, to the ability to concentrate the mind upon like any object that one chooses for a longer period of time. We usually will do it here sitting, focusing on the breath, which is like bringing the mind to the present moment. We'll focus on a point, on a physical point, on an energetic point. We'll repeat a mantra. We use a formula to guide the mind for that. And other techniques are available also for practicing not only meditation, but like how to train the mind to lead to this meditative mood. Like one of them being a walking meditation. We call it walking meditation, but it is the ability of being just aware of whatever we do. No, we can't just sit and expect the mind to be quiet. No, that would be a kind of asking too much, to leave the mind free all the time to move it on its own grooves, its own habits, and then for a few minutes every day we'll sit and expect the mind to be fully focused. So one way we do, like in our ashrams, we have the satsang, the silent meditation, sitting for like every morning and evening. But a few days we do what we call silent walk, which is to train the mind that during that activity, we can also practice being focused, or either by on the steps, or on the breath, or coordinating breath with the steps, or counting the steps, whichever way that keeps the mind in the present moment, keeps the mind fully present as a training for meditation. Meditation is not something just because I sit and I don't move, I can say I'm meditating. That is meditation will be a state of mind altogether. That once achieved, once we learn how to get into that state of mind and learn how to maintain it, it will be more meditative frame of mind, or more contemplative frame of mind, which will provide us a different experience of life altogether. A different relation to ourselves, a different relation to life. So that's the whole idea of it. But it has to be done, the practice should be done all the time in whatever we're doing.